Hi guys, welcome you all in M-CAD Foundation. This channel is completely based on CAD courses. So the students who are pursuing their engineering with mechanical background or any of professionals also, you can join with us. And we are making CAD videos for CATIA and AutoCAD and all others also. So please join us for CAD courses, or if you're interested to make your career in CAD. And today our session is based in CATIA. So let's start with today's session. So CATIA, okay. Let's come with definition. So full form of CATIA is computer aided three-dimensional interactive application. Okay, and this is used for multi-platform like CAD, CAM, CA. Okay, so as we know that CAD is computer-aided drafting or design. So if you design or draft anything, that comes under CAD purpose. And if you machine any component with in other inputs, like if you machine the component with computer data, okay, like most of AutoCAD users make their data to that VNC and CNC machines, and those output will machine the components. Okay, and now coming to CAE. So after the final product, like 3D product, if you want to calculate the load stress or analyze that all data, so you'll go with CAE. Okay, and one more thing, CATIA is considered as PLM software. PLM means, show you here, PLM. Okay, means product lifecycle management. Okay, what is PLM? If any product which comes under initial stage to final stage. Okay, see, if I'll give you some product, okay, and I'll talk about that PLM. Okay, so the initial stage, like first we have to decide the product cost. Okay? Cost of the product, design of the product, and after final assembly of the product, machining of the product. So that initial stage to its final stage. So that is PLM. Now coming to the next, background of CATIA. Okay, so first release of CATIA was back in 1977. Okay, you all know that it's a French manufacturer company, Dassault system. Okay, the person who develops the CATIA, his name is Aviance Marcel Dassault, and initially it developed for use in designing the Dassault Mirage fighter jet plane. So we all know that Mirage is the parent company of Mirage is Dassault system. Okay, so when they initially making that jet planes, so they use CATIA for dimensions and other assemblies. Now coming to the third point, the software is written in C++. Okay, and it runs on both platform, Unix also and Windows also. Okay, the software is written as C++ with both tool like Unix and Windows. Now coming to the fourth point, we all know that in the aerospace, leading companies, most of the leading companies are like Boeing and Airbus. Okay, so in 1984, Boeing purchased CATIA V2 for their main 3D CAD tool. And now coming to the fourth point, CATIA release and platforms. Okay, I'll show you one thing. See here only, CATIA release and platforms. Most of you saw CATIA like this. CATIA, CATIA V5 R26 or 27, R27 or R28. So what is this R26, 27, 28? That is the release of CATIA. Okay. So if I'll tell you like 26. So the meaning of 26 is this software release version is 2016. Okay, you have purchased that 2016 software. 27 is 2017 and same as 28 is 2018. So these are the release of CATIA, which software they release that to. So use as updated. Okay. Now coming to the platform. Okay. Platform here is P1, P2 and P3. Okay. So what is this P1, P2, P3? Like P1 stands for the basic purchase of CATIA. Okay, if anybody who purchased that CATIA software, who want to purchase CATIA software as the basic specs, they'll go for P1. Okay, but suppose you're working for any industries and you're opening any industries which you want to develop more commands. Okay, because you want to machine different type of component or different type of designs you want to make, so I'll go for P2. P2 is some higher version. Okay, and if you want more and much design complex with like aircraft designs and other automotive design, then you have to go for P3, because P3 having the more option with respect to P1 and P2. Okay, now coming to the third slide, the topic. Yes, so I'll start the topic with the sketcher, part molding, drafting, assembly, surface molding, and sheet metals. Okay, these are the topics which I will cover with my next sessions. So I'll show you here one examples of this all. Okay, sketcher. Okay, sketcher. I'll show in CATIA only. So this is one sketcher workbench. Okay, so see here, that is nothing but one skeleton design of a component. Okay, this is one skeleton design. So after that you can extrude it or you can pad it. So I can show you here. This is the main name of that which workbench you have, and here, yes, here is that specification tree. Okay, so in this specification tree, that is a sketcher. Okay, this is the sketch, and coming to the other, part molding. Okay, next is part molding. Show you in CATIA. Here is this one. Okay, part molding. So in part molding, basically we have to develop like this kind of a 3D model. Okay, you can see here, this is the specification tree. Okay, these all are the small sketches, and based on that sketch I have made one 3D part. Okay, now coming to the next, that is drafting. Okay, show drafting in CATIA. With the same 3D file I have made one drafting also, a drawing. See, that is top view and front view of this, and this one basically if you want to show your design to anyone like who is manufacturer that design, or else if you want to convert in PDF, so with the help of drafting we can do this. Okay, now coming to the next, that is assembly. Okay, assembly. Here is one bench assembly in CATIA, and here it is. Okay, this is one bench assembly, and you can see in the tree they are the separate parts. Okay, this is the base part, this is the vice jaw. So these are the separate part. What I have done, I've designed all those parts and then I joined in a single platform, that is assembly. Okay, one more thing, if you open CATIA, so the default is product, and product is nothing but assembly. Okay, coming to the next, uh, surface modeling. So I'll show you surface modeling here. See, surface modeling is basically used for complex shapes in CATIA. So, and that is the most famous workbench in CATIA, because CATIA is popular for surface modeling. Because in surface modeling, that is a number of shapes you can make in CATIA, and I show you here. See, in this tree, the whole commands which I'm used is surface commands. Okay. Now coming to the next, sheet metals. Sheet metals. So here it is. Okay, I'll show you that sheet metal. As we all know that sheet metal can't be manufactured by machining. Okay, so by machining you can't manufacture that sheet metal just because of their thickness. Okay, it have very low thickness. I think 6 to 8 mm is the final thickness of that sheet metal. More than that we call as a plate. So here's one more workbench in CATIA V5, that is sheet metal workbench. I'll show you here. See, This is sheet metal parameters. Okay, and here the commands which I am using, those all commands comes under sheet metal. Okay, so today's session we have covered the basic CATIA, CATIA definitions, background, and topics which I'm going to cover. So for my next session, I'll start with the Sketcher. So hope you guys will enjoy this session. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any doubt, then please comment on this video. Thank you very much.